Hello, as you can see, this is a HP laptop with a broken screen. I'll show you the screen now. Let's turn it on, power it up. Whoa, I mean that's pretty broken. Oh no it's not, oh yeah it is, oh no it's not, oh yeah it is. I mean, when it does look like this, obviously you can't see any physical cracks or anything like that. But the screen has been, this area down here has been broken physically. You can't see the LCD that's been broken, but the circuitry down here has definitely been broken. Sometimes this can be the ribbon cable, but I have actually already taken this apart and tested the ribbon cable, and it's not that, which is a cable that kind of, sometimes in the hinge, it can break in there where it's constantly kind of being moved up and down, and it's like in the hinge it's just within a plastic mechanism that kind of ends up getting caught sometimes and breaking. But as you can see, that is not that's not working. It's not working. Make sure I'm recording. Yes. So yeah, let's fix this. So the screen purchased was £40, and you'll pay around about £50 to get your screen replaced. So £90 in total. But this is this is a laptop you probably invest quite a lot of money into, at least 400 plus. So let's see how we go. There's be some little black clips in there. These things are quite hard to get out. I always end up ruining them, unfortunately. Most people have got spares and they can just place them back on there, but we're not going to do that today. This is more of just an instructional video, really. When doing a customer's laptop, it won't be quite like this. Try to be extremely careful with the ribbon. Do not break the ribbon, ever, obviously. Otherwise you just have to pay for a new one. It's not too much money actually, I say that. So even if I do accidentally damage it, you don't lose out on anything. You just buy your new cable. Done. Oh goodness, that is not how you do it. Excuse me while I fix this. Only 3 hands. Make sure all the cables are channeled through correctly, as to prevent the problem I mentioned with the hinges. You don't want the cable to be caught in any hinges whatsoever, obviously. So I'm just going to run it through there's little channels that hold the cable in place and stop it from getting clamped between any joints or between any screws that you might be screwing up. There we go, that's nice and secure in there. Now we put the plate back on, this plate. And what I'll do, because I'm not sure what happened there, but I was just applying these 2 little covers. I think the video decided to just cut off. There we go. Right then, let's power it up and see what's happened, shall we? Moment of truth. This is how you get your laptop back. Oh, there's no jumpies. Very good, very good. Suppose you can still see the screen, can you? Please wait. Hewlett-Packard. And then this broken old screen just gets disposed of responsibly. Do not worry about that. Let us just restart and try again. Looks like Windows hasn't loaded correctly. Let's actually do a repair because there we go, and then continue, because I believe it's because I shut it down a few times when it was trying to boot, so it's going to want to do a quick repair. This wouldn't normally happen. I would have shut it down correctly if it wasn't just for the purpose of this video. This could turn into a repair Windows startup video as well. Could maybe break it into 2. Basically just let Windows do it. Not like the olden days where you had to fix all the problems yourself. I've also been informed it's slow, so I could fix that. Let me see. I should turn the flash off, shouldn't I? Okay, so should I pause this video or should I do a Windows repair video? Oh, no, Windows repaired itself. There you go, sorted. And there you have it. A new screen, laptop, £90. Your laptop's back working as you expected it to be. So it's a nice, easy, quick process. I keep it as cheap as possible. I mean, if it's this easy to repair, yeah, I think £50 is an acceptable price. Wonderful working laptop. Goodbye. Let's shut it down properly.